Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create video collage in seconds on CapCut. So first you need to open your CapCut and then just click on new project and choose the photos or video that you want to add to your collage video. For example, I want to add this videos right here. Okay, I'm going to add 4 clips, and then after that click on collage and it will be created like this, and you can just choose the format and also the ratio that you want. For first I'm going to choose the ratio for TikTok, for example 9:16, and then after that you can also change the format of the video like this. For example, I'm going to just choose the grid here, the 4-1, and after that just click on continue and your collage video will be created in seconds. So you'll go like this, for example, and after that you can just add some do some edit, like adding some filter effects or others edit that you want. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, click on the thanks below, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.